The new update in Animal Company. Yo, where do we go to get that thing? Can you show me?
Well, these things are not actually used for backpacks. They're meant to be sold. And right now the selling machine doesn't seem to be working. I tried selling it.
Can you everybody go me where that is?
Who wants my backpack?
Yeah.
Me.
Who wants to go to the car with me?
Alright, nice.
Who's the guy who wants to go to
Hey,
the car with me?
floats.
Get a firework! Get a
I want to
firework!
get a normally insanely fast.
With the code 1, 4, 2, 3.
John's backpack is flying. Bro, bro, can someone show me the new update out? Can someone show me the new update?
Yo, why are you banning people?
Red, can you show me the new update?
I'm gonna
Show me
send
the
it
new
to
update.
Discord.
Look how
Saying
cool
you're
I
hacking.
am. Look how
Red.
cool I am.
Red, can you show me the update?
Give me money.
Red, can you
I'm
show
sending
me
this
the
to the
update?
Discord that you're hacking and banning people's accounts.
Yo, can you show me the
sending it to
update?
Discord.
Can
Give
you
me
show
a
me
shot.
the
I'm
update?
sending it to the Discord.
Mom, I'm sending you to the Discord. I'm sending you.
You cannot.
Dude,
I sent it already. I already sent
who
it.
can show me the new update? Who can show me the new update?
Try to go get a briefcase.
Yo, Green, can you show me this update out? Oh, yeah, I don't know about this update. People have been saying there's an update.
Yo,
Do y'all want to get briefcase?
Oh, look at this. Yeah, I want to get a briefcase.
Yeah, the briefcase gets you a briefcase.
Whoa.
The briefcase gets you a briefcase.
if you get both of them and all the nuggets, you get way more of those.
Don't touch
Yeah,
this
bro.
thing, I
Really?
guess. Be careful, guys.
I might find a glitch where I can have 0 gravity. Forever.
I think bro got killed. Where do we go? Where do we go?
Follow me.
I'm new to this update. Watch. Wait for me, dude. What the heck? Where do we go?
Come on.
Nope, never mind.
Big buff man. Big buff man's here.
We're gonna have to run. You're gonna have to get hit, and then we're gonna run.
I thought I have 0
Big buff
gravity
man.
to go to
Run,
anywhere, man.
run.
Oh,
Big
no.
buff man just hit me. Big buff man just hit me.
I found a way to have 0 gravity by escaping the...
Big buff man just hit me. Hurry up, quick. You're gonna get hit.
Let's go.
Okay, yeah, you need to show me around, okay? I'm new to this.
Yeah. Gravity.
Follow me.
And somehow...
Yo, look at this.
I
Where do we
had
go? Where do we
gravity
go?
until I made it to the very top and they kicked me out
Okay.
from having gravity. I was very sad.
Guess we got up here. So this is the underground update, I guess.
Right here.
I'm jumping. Wait for me, okay? Is Big Buff Man here?
No.
Ah, help! I'm staying alive. Where are you? Come back.
Come here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Come on. Just follow me. Okay, listen. Hold on.
I guess I'm
Follow me.
jumping down here.
Just jump all the way down.
Ah!
Anyone
there's a
inside the
briefcase.
sewers of hell?
Low gravity. Why is there low gravity here?
Sure, I have a crossbow. I mean to take my...
I need. How do I get that
Yeah.
thing? How do I get that
Stuff, bro.
briefcase? Dude, we need the briefcase. Collect it. I'll wear it. I'll wear it. I'll wear it.
No, I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. I'm wearing
Oh, so you got.
it. Okay,
oh,
listen. You see all those nuggets?
Give me my shit back, bro.
Wait, nuggets.
They're gold things. They're gold things.
Why is
How?
that Yellowstone flying
Floating.
around the area right now?
You
Come on,
might need
come
to
on.
get them.
Let's
Can
go.
you open that backpack or what?
Let's go.
Night.
Oh my god. This is scary because of the goo. Dude, where are you?
Right here. Over here.
Oh, help! What was that?
Just come on.
What was that noise?
Come on.
It did.
Help! Help!
Let's go. Let's go. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Did you get the golden nuggets? Did you get some golden nuggets?
No, just come on, just follow me.
No, I need one. Let me get one. I got one.
Alright, the game is glitched. Nothing can sell. I tried to sell all the gravity stuff. That's the reason it doesn't sell.
It's like an eyeball monster. It's actually cool. I'm going to a run because the thingy ain't working. So. What the fuck? I only destroyed the server!
I see the air.
Free shotgun.
Guys! Let's go to the new map! Let's go to the new map!
Grenade on me.
Let's go to the new map! Guys, let's go to the new map! So I guess I'm gonna
Double shotgun was that? Okay, so back off. Back off.
Let's go under the ground, guys. Come on, let's go to the other map. Let's go to the next map. Blue.
Someone drop a grenade.
My left shotgun.
Guys, come on, let's go underground.
What did you do? My left shotgun.
Guys,
got
let's go underground.
down there with 2 shotguns. And I suddenly got up here.
Guys, let's go loot! Let's go loot, guys! Let's go loot!
So that's like the new looting space. Guys, let's go underground. Let's go underground.
Okay, bet.
Where is everybody? Yeah, let's go underground. Come on, let's go underground.
Oh my god.
Dude, can you come underground with us?
Let's get this.
Oh, ammo.
Okay.
You can have it.
Flashlight.
That's what I said.
Buy this.
Wait, can I have one? Can I have one?
Oh no, I'm poor again.
Alright, let's go to the new place. Come on, let's go to the new place.
Whoa, that's cool.
He's gonna shoot me!
Who wants to join me?
Yeah, let's go to the new place. Let's go to the new place.
Okay. I'm not checked out the new place.
Be careful.
What's
this
the
is
new
like-
place, guys? What's the new place?
If you see any goo and don't touch it. If you see a gooey eye, like if you see goo and an eye, don't make eye contact. I just got shot. He's coming for me. Dun.
Hey, kaboom.
Oh, just made a hole through me.
It's coming!
Yo, let's go to the new map. Let's go to the new map. Let's go to the new map, guys. Guys, let's go to the new map.
Now it's Momo.
Hello?
Who's underground?
People. To that guy who said we'll remember him, right? I just randomly died somehow. I don't even know why.
Come back underground.
Yeah, I know where the suitcase.
I'm at the red light, green light underground.
Why the monster?
Hey, yo, dude, you don't even need a backpack. You just gotta get the suitcases and put them on your back.
Now I'm grinding for the golden chicken nuggets. I just got killed. Let's go back. I just got killed.
Yeah, I freaking been there.
Bro, that monster was bugged out.
I don't know where this is.
No, he's gonna kill us. He's gonna. I knew it.
I just killed 2 people.
Why does he? I'm joining the new lobby. This guy keeps killing us. Yo, do you want to go underground with me?
Yeah, sure, mate.
Be careful of Red. He will kill you.
What do you mean?
He has a shotgun. Red has a shotgun. He will kill you.
The human man or a monster?
No. He has a shotgun.
Can I be concerned about this? It says extremely dangerous.
Let's just get down before he comes.
What do you mean by underground then?
You're here.
It's a bit dark down here, mate. Do you have a flashlight then?
No, don't worry about it. We're gonna find people on the way, maybe. Yeah,
I just died.
there's someone here.
Everyone follow the line, and if you get close to it,
Don't touch that, don't touch that.
anglerfishes. You have to pass them and go in the teleporter. And as soon as you travel back, go to spawn.
I got it. I'm going back.
Okay. No. Hop in the teleport and go back to spawn. I'm stuck on the ground. Please send a rescue man.
Yeah, I'm the guy who just got cooked, so please give me.
Yeah, I just saw you get murdered and then the spike guy.
I found a suit.
And then you were.
Wait, can I put it back on here? No, I can't.
You didn't get a blip.
You got the suitcase and everything?
Is anyone coming underground?
I am scared. Over.
Yeah.
I'm stuck on the ground. Over.
Wait, someone's here. You made it.
Hello. Thank God.
Be careful. We need to go there. Damn, these monsters are bugged. Here. Looks like someone left that. Oh no! I dropped it.
Oh my God. I'm scared, man. I'm scared.
Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna find people! Come on!
I got the suitcase and some gold.
So, come on.
Can't come back to spawn though.
No, don't go back to spawn. We're coming.
I'm gonna have to take my stuff and
Alright.
fly up to spawn.
Get ready to jump.
Okay, boy. Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Cyan, you jump in?
Oh my fuck.
Cyan, jump. Where is bro? I think bro's too scared to come. I think someone's coming though. If anyone can hear me, help!
Poo poo pee pee. My bed.
Cyan, I saw you. I need help.
I just soiled my pants.
Oh, I'm not making it back. Wait, I hear someone. Cyan? Is someone coming? I think someone's coming to me. Cyan, come on. Cyan, you're here. Just jump. You have to jump here.
Guys, if you need help, I have a grenade and a cross. Guys, everyone could just...
The bomb's about to explode anyways.
Hello, guys! I need someone to take
Yo,
this loot and
guys,
bring it back
yo,
to spawn.
we're
How do we...
Yo!
I need
How do we get back? How do we
I need a
get back?
flashlight.
Guys, I already got the suitcase.
Where do we go?
I
Where do
already
we
got the
go?
suitcase and gold. Guys,
Go,
I already
go,
got
go.
the suitcase and gold. I just need to get back to spawn. Hold on. Guys, follow me.
No, what do you mean?
Oh my god! Oh!
Welcome to my lab. Welcome to the
Put in niggers.
Why can't I jump down? Why am I in zero gravity?
Guys, did anyone bring any ammo?
Come on,
Did anyone
I'm here.
bring any
Hey,
ammo?
come on, we need to make it. Guys, we need to make it. Come on.
How do we make
I
it
can
back?
show the pass.
Any ammo?
I can
Guys,
show
what's
the
that eye
pass.
monster,
Come
by
on.
the way? What's the eye monster?
You know what, guys? Shotgun's useless now.
How do I survive the eye monster?
Guys,
Okay,
follow
we
me.
need to
Let's
go.
go.
Yeah, don't grab anything.
Guys, how do I survive the eye monster?
Don't touch the tentacles. If you touch the tentacles, the pink ones, they look
Okay,
like
come on,
pink
come on.
ones. It'll stare at you and shoot what do you call it? A pin directly at you from its eye. Okay, and then it eliminates you.
So that's the eye monster.
Still
Do
easy.
not touch these cords, okay? If you touch like any of those, and can you see that? Like,
Yeah, so I had the suitcase that
Guys,
was
someone
worth
get-
$5,000
someone get
and
these
the gold
nuggets.
that
Someone
was
get these
worth a
golden
lot.
nuggets.
Don't get the nuggets.
Okay. You just got pinned! No! Be careful! Yes, you got his backpack. Where do we go?
No.
Where do we go?
We need to go. I'll show you the way. Okay, be careful, okay? Wait, okay. Remove your backpack. Throw it away and put this.
He's on me.
Okay.
Did he touch that? Did he touch that?
Yeah, you don't need to touch the tentacles.
Guess that's the eye monster.
Go. Okay, don't touch the tentacle, but go under here.
Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna touch one.
Oh, my
That's
God.
close call.
Okay, follow me. We're so close.
Wait, we're near the end.
Yes.
Wait, we're here. We're here.
Yeah.
We made it. We made it. Radio.
Come on.
Let's go.
Yes.
We made it.
We
Come on.
made it.
We made it. We made it. We made it.
We made it.
We made it.
yay, we made it.
I am heavy when I hold this.
Come on, sell it.
Wait, I can't. I'm stuck. Someone take my backpack. I'm stuck. Take it. Put it in.
Put it in. Put it in.
You guys just went
Someone
through that
grenade
upside
me.
down.
Someone grenade me.
Oh no.
Someone grenade me. Someone grenade me.
Oh.
Someone buy a grenade and grenade. What?
Oh.
That is a what? Yo, someone
do we have
grenade.
so much
I'm out. We done it. Red.